I don't know about you, but when it comes to brushes, I definitely have favorites. I got so excited when I learned that I can combine my favorite brushes to make even more brushes. So that's what we're going to cover in this lesson. I'm going to start out by using a brush that is very characteristic. So this one comes from my gouache set. As you can see, the brush is pretty streaky and wet. And the second brush I choose is going to be this artist crayon. You can use any of the brush that you have in the native library. As you can see, the crayon is pretty dry and textured and kind of harsh. I'm curious how these two are going to work together. So I'm going to tap on the brush and then select my primary brush and then swipe right to select my secondary brush. So this tells Procreate you want to combine these two together. You can see the combine next to the brush library and just tap on that. Boom, you have a new brush. It's going to take on the name of the primary brush that you have chosen. Right away, you can see the brush studio look a bit different. For one, there are two brush strokes on the upper left-hand corner. The first one is the primary brush, which is gouache, and the second one is the crayon. I'm going to choose a different color, maybe this pink, to show you what the stroke looks like. Right off the bat, when you use this new brush to draw, you can tell it has the genetics from both sides. It has the streakiness from the wet brush, but also the internal texture looks very crayon-like. And notice that when you highlight either one of the brush, you can change the settings independently. So all of the things that we have covered so far, you can play with that independently on either side of the brush. When you tap on either one of the brush, you can also change how you combine the strokes by tapping on the blending mode and then just scroll through the different options. From the preview, you can see that the possibility is pretty much endless. So once you're happy, say that you want to go with this, you want to hit about this brush and then give it a name and set a new reset point and then hit done. If we use it on canvas, let's see what this one looks like. So this is our new brush that are both wet and dry, which is impossible on an actual piece of paper, but possible on the screen. And whenever you want to uncombine two brushes, you can tap on the first one and then hold the second one and then just tap on uncombine and confirm. There you go. Spend a few minutes to play with it, and I will see you in the next lesson.